Look at my win rate. My win rate is only 44% and I'm still 4% in profit. Good morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. It's a new week, 20th of December, Wednesday. And I didn't record any video on the beginning of the week because I was moving around to the new house in Australia, so didn't really have time to film anything. But I'm in a trade, I'm gonna show you here. And the trade is gold. Let me actually trim this down. It's a gold, and I entered that yesterday. This area, what happened, there was a news which didn't really do much for this pair, but it did help to go up. And what I'm waiting for now is probably that this position is gonna pull back down to this area, because this is a support. You can see support, broke the support, resistance. So I believe this is gonna come back down here. I will see how the price going, and I enter another position and let it run. So my target for this is, let me do this. Let's really look at the daily. Actually go on 4 hour. That's better to see. We still look very bullish. So I think what I'm thinking is to go all the way to this area. But I will see how things go. Maybe I close it early, maybe maybe it doesn't get there at all, but I will see how that goes. That's my only position I'm currently in. I'm waiting for other positions, but I'm gonna show you that later, what that happening with that. Other than that, we are currently on, let me see, on MT5. You can see balance 51,256. You can remember last week I end up, not actually the big no, this week, last week, I can't remember, you end up in negative. But floating imbalance is 51, almost 52. That was 52, but I choose to not close gold yet, because currently we have 1-to-1, so it's 450. I still think we have a big time, not big time. I still believe we have a big gap to go up. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go to the gym right now. Finish at the gym. Still not looking too bad, considering that I was eating whole dozen of donuts, Krispy Kreme, about 10 of them 2 days ago, and a lot of chocolate and stuff. Not too bad. Now it's time to hop in the sauna. 60 degrees, 60 minutes. This should be like 100 degrees for 15 minutes. And then you do ice cold plunge. And then you do that again, and you do the ice cold again, and then you do sauna again. So 3 rounds of sauna, 100 degrees. Minimum 15 minutes each, or whatever you can handle. But this 60 degrees is not too bad. Not the worst, not the best. If you stay here longer, you will do the job. So yeah, finish my workout. I'm gonna do sauna for about probably 1 hour, maybe 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna see you guys at the charts. So far we're looking good on the gold. I believe we're gonna continue run up. Good morning, beautiful Friday morning, end of the week again of Forex trading week. Sad, truly sad times for the people of the Forex group, the Forex community. It's truly sad times. Anyway, what happened during the week is absolutely F up, because they enter so many trades stupidly wrong, and I realized if I just completely get rid of this emotional bullshit, basically, where I enter trade and then I get out because it doesn't seem to be work out, and I enter trade because of emotional, I see it going down or up or going up, and I enter and I exit and I lose a little bit and I lose a little bit. Like yesterday, I just entered so many trades, believe it or not, and then I just got out of them, and then I lose, just like wasted my profits, and I got actually into the drawdown. I got like all the way to 48.5, I believe, or something like that, and now I'm back to 50, and by all the looks, maybe today I'm gonna be halfway through. Just if I stick to my plan. I'm not sticking to my plan, and I realize that's the one big thing which separates the pro trader, I guess, and the idiotic trader. As so far, I don't want to say myself because I'm idiotic. I'm not. I don't think I'm idiotic. It's just a learning curve. I've been trading for the last 7 months, I believe, since April this year, and I'm currently break even. So, anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's have a look what actually happened. What trades I'm in at the moment currently. So there is a one trade which is USD CAD. I entered yesterday. This is time what in the morning. Well, I actually entered a little bit later. Anyway, this trade I closed this morning soon as I wake up. I couldn't even see the chart. I just saw like it's keep going down. But you know what? This was a good profit. So this was I believe almost $1,000 paper money, $1,000, and I left this trade open, and I believe this is gonna go lower. So I'm waiting for this. It's currently it's Asian session, so you can see it's 11:39 a.m. in Australia, and it's keep dumping. So that means that's a good sign. And the next one is gold, which I aped in, literally degenerate aped in yesterday, last night. Let me actually put this down a little bit. What happened? I entered in this, you can see. Let me just take this arrow because that's better. And I entered here in this area because I saw after the news, there was a news yesterday, quite a big one. So it just starts spiking up, and as soon as it came back a little bit, I entered. And then overnight, this kind of doing nothing. And then basically when I was sleeping, when I wake up this morning, I saw this massive candle just keep pumping. I don't know why, if there was no any major news, anything like that. So don't really know what happened, but it's keep pumping. So I believe we're just gonna keep going. If you look at the 4-hour chart, it's still a quite big time to go. I'm anticipating to take my full profit here before this area. So we will see what's gonna happen. But basically the learning curve for me again is to just sticking to my plan. And obviously if you're watching me for some time and you're trying to learn trading, maybe you're gonna take some lesson, because I believe a lot of people do the same shit. What I do is just enter the trade and then exit and enter and exit and enter, and it's just stupid. I have to go on a daily, enter and leave it alone, because the more I'm looking at the chart, right, the more I'm looking at the chart and on 1 hour 15 minutes, the more I freak out, the more emotional. I don't want to be emotional trader, obviously. You want to be cool as a cucumber. But the more I'm looking at the charts, the more I'm freaking out, and the more I want to close the trade or open new trade. So I said to myself, I'm not going to be looking at the charts today. I'm just going to let it play out. I've got everything stop loss set up to break even, and a little bit of loss on gold, and that's it. I'm not going to do anything else. So anyway, I'm gonna update you guys later. I'm going to finish my coffee. I'm going to go to the gym. You can watch me, my amazingly beautiful technique of Muay Thai, which I'm still learning Muay Thai too. So if you want to enjoy that, then you know you're curious what I'm doing, then you can stick around. If not, you can click away. I'll just fast forward to what's gonna actually happen. Anyway, I'll see you later. So the week is almost finished and I'm enjoying a cigar. I wanted to buy a Romeo and Juliet, but unfortunately they didn't have that. Sold out. So I got Tatiana, but I didn't realize it's actually vanilla, which I don't really like any flavors, anything like that. So, but it's not bad, not too bad. I mean, Tatiana vanilla, yeah, it's okay. Could be better, but so USD CAD, you can see if you go, that's 15 minutes chart. This position was already closed. This position is still open, and the new position down here, and just news opened, and it kind of spiked up. You can see it spiked up. I didn't close, all the way down, and it started coming back up, and I closed it with a little bit loss, almost break even. I will see if I'm gonna close in the next few minutes or just leave it open for a little bit longer. Actually, not this position, this one is gone. This position is what I'm talking about. And the next one is gold. Gold, still unsure what's gonna happen. Let's go in 15 minutes chart, it's better to see. Again, it's Friday, it's before Christmas, so there's not much volume as I would expect. So I will see again as well in about half an hour, see if I'm gonna close it or not. Maybe if we're gonna break these highs here, then I'm gonna leave it open and run for a little bit longer. If not, if you're gonna break below these lows, I'm just gonna close it and then call it the week done. Currently we are, let me see how we're looking. So it is balance 51,000, equity 51,900 almost. So there's two trades, you can see 880 currently. See how we go. Yeah, see how we go in the next few minutes. Saturday morning, it is currently 23rd of December, just before Christmas, and I closed all the trades. I'm out and I end up in positive. So I'm gonna show you here, MT5, I'm gonna show you what happened. I'm positive, I'm halfway through to the challenge. Finally. So let's see on the first one. Let's go back on trading view. This is a USD CAD. If you remember, I was in this yesterday. I was deciding if I should close or not yet, and I did close, and unfortunately I had little loss. I believe this is the candle actually. It went down and it came back, and because it was news, to be honest, I just freaked out and I closed this. So I think this was like $100 loss, almost $100, something like that. And the next one is gold. Now gold, I entered this on, so this was on Thursday, and I closed this yesterday. My hand's shaking for some reason. So last night, I told you I was deciding if I should close or not, and I was having a cigar last night, and I was looking at the chart, and I'm looking at this. I'm thinking, you know what? It's Friday, it's before Christmas, people probably wants to get out, take their profits. So I closed it around this area. I already took my profits, I took my profits actually in this area, about half of the profits or 3/4 of the profits, something like that. And I closed the other part somewhere around here. And then look at what happened, it just dumped. I think this trade actually is still really good when the market's open. I believe we're gonna come back all the way down to this support zone, and we're gonna continue to go up, but that's gonna be for the next week, so we'll see what's gonna happen. But overall, if you look at this one, MT5, currently no trades, you can see, and we have balance $52,010. So we are halfway through. Not too bad at all. Now let's see on my let's log into my TFT. So you can see simulated profit $2,010, 52,000. This is the curve. You can see it's not very nice, but you know, consider I'm doing this for like 7 months, it's not too bad. Look at my win rate. My win rate is only 44%, and I'm still 4% in profit. If and I know why this win rate is 44%. I think this will be not normally, but this will be probably around 60%, maybe 55% win rate if I didn't do stupid stuff as enter trade and exit trades straight away and then put in like a $2 loss or something like that, because I will just not making my decision properly. So if I just avoid that and then just make my decision properly and then stick to the 1 trade or 2 trades, this win rate will be much higher. Okay, so that's the reason why it's such a low. But even that, I'm still 4% in profit. So next week is a Christmas and New Year, so I will see if there's gonna be any trade. If there's gonna be anything good, I will enter. If there's gonna be anything which I really like, I'm just not gonna enter. So not too bad a week, 4% in profit after 5 weeks of trading and trying to not beat market, but being profitable. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with that, and I have nothing else to say, guys. So I'll see you sometime next week, probably if I'm gonna film anything. Yeah. All right. Anyway, Merry Christmas and whatever the hell is the year. Anyway, bye.